and girls. Loaded up for the dyno. Still don't have my truck back. It's at the shop. We are headed to D-Sport to do our dyno tune with Ben Calibration, Ian of Ben Calibration, guy we always use. So he's gonna remote tune, I'll be on the laptop and send back and forth logs and whatnot. And so part of it he'll be live, so it'll go pretty smoothly. The car was working pretty decent. We did a little bit of driving it like back and forth on the street for the break-in. And then no real like boost pulls or anything, but yeah, we're excited. We're gonna make just under 1,000 horsepower, but a lot of torque because we're using nitrous again, boys. All right, talk to you soon. We are here. We're here, no dash, so that just in case we need to work on stuff. A little bit of gear wrench tools and that cool little bag they have now. And then laptop, bench flasher, GoPro stuff, and me. And Ian will be on the other side. So we're getting ready, guys. Put track bite on here so we don't spin, that would be cool. What do you need me to do? Like just drive real slow in first gear or something? Alright guys, so we're doing iBoost 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First one, 670 horsepower, iBoost 2, 740, 0 AC so far, but we're spinning a little bit. So we're going to put a little bit of track bite, like drag racing track prep on the tire and on the... Yep, okay. And Ian's in the earpods, so a lot going on right now, guys. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So it's like nothing weird is going on. Yes. iBoost 4. Well, that was a little spinner. That just like lit him up, but I laid into it and then I did one fireball out the stacks and the hood. It was kind of cool. Oh, man. Oh, yeah! That's like the best thing ever. think that was mostly good. Yeah, thank you. Alright, let's check that one out. 870. That's alright. Actually, 4 is the one that sucked, huh? We gotta go delete 4. Hey, he said it's still spinning, but we could still get like some reading from it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's the best part about your team. Alright guys, we're back from the dyno. We made 950, kind of what we knew we'd make because we didn't change the turbo, and the turbo is what sets your horsepower in number. The nitrous though, my man, that thing really helped out. So we had a much better dyno reading with the nitrous this year than we did last year, and we were able to do a couple pulls, and it is night and day difference from no nitrous to nitrous. 4,000 RPMs, it makes 650 horsepower. It will never make and then it just keeps going, you know. But without nitrous, I think it's like 510 horsepower at 4,000 RPM. So it's a huge difference, and it's like just comes on like, I don't know, it's amazing. Everyone needs nitrous. All right guys, hope you enjoyed watching that. Talk to you soon.